And sometimes what we see is that every time new shiny object, new tiny, a lot of folks want to get on that bandwagon. Why? Because everyone else is getting. But they may not, first of all, be right use case for that, or they're not getting the most out of that technology. Do you feel that companies, organizations are not able to achieve, the full value, real value of cloud native technology? If yes, why?
I actually absolutely think that companies don't even achieve the full value of cloud native technologies yet. I still think that even in cloud native world, the transformation didn't finish because a lot of companies get to the state that is good enough when they have Kubernetes, they have microservices, but their delivery cycle is still 6 weeks. Right? Doesn't sound like cloud native. And I think very similar thing is going to happen with AI because we are humans, we adopt new technology a certain way. And there is the right way to adopt new technologies, which is start small with a small team, develop the minimum viable product that is actually doing the thing that you need it to do, and then scale it to few teams and then few more and few more, and then gradually expand across the organization and then bring it to level of maturity when everything is absolutely perfect. But that's not how many enterprises are doing it. So what often they do, they will pour a lot of money in it to overwhelm the system and bring too many developers, too many tools, buy this kind of, like you're saying, a solution, a product that in their mind will just solve the problem altogether. And I think we need to take a step back to take it more slowly, like in this recent book from Cinq, that he uses term slowification. Slow down, think, plan, and implement it step by step from small to full scale. And I think this is something that AI or cloud native or any previous big technology, there's just only one way to implement it correctly.